Hey people, all excited for today's meetup? Oh my god, it's like 12:30 when I record this video, and that's it. In 4.5 hours I'll be at Phoenix Arena, which is in Hyderabad near High Tech City. And it's like normally each time I do a video, I try to make sure, see, that's my brat of a child. I try to make sure that my makeup is on point, and I'm like, whatever. There's this whole attempt to be this picture perfect person, which is hardly the, as you can see, which is hardly the kind of real me. But with the passage of time, I've realized that it is that honesty and the realness that actually connects. I mean, at least that's like my now life mantra and philosophy, really. It's almost going to be a 1 minute video. I try to make sure it's only 1 minute. But truly, people, it'll be just so awesome to see you folk. So, if it is possible, today, Phoenix Arena at 5 o'clock, because we'll be meeting with this Japanese team also. And, happy science, this particular, it's like the art of living of Japan. It's something that everybody should be acquainted with. It's beautiful, really. So Phoenix Arena it is at 5 o'clock today, July 14th. It's a Friday, and I'm so looking forward to meeting at least some of y'all there. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.